Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something that scares a lot of people. Or should I say something that scares me? And that is public speaking. Many of us feel nervous when we have to stand up and talk in front of others. But Ma'am Cheska tells us that it is a skill that you can learn and it's a valuable one to have. I recently watched an amazing video that Ma'am Cheska shared us. And in that video, it says that you need to know your voice inside and out because this is the root of everything. This is where the inspiration comes. You know what? Knowing your voice means understanding what you truly believe and feel. And knowing your voice is essential in public speaking because it allows you to connect with your listeners through your unique thoughts, beliefs, feelings, and experiences. By exploring this inner garden of ideas, you can find the right words to express your message and connect with people and even influence others. I remember a time that we do reporting in our class when I'm in high school. Honestly, I didn't review a report or just browse it to read. Suddenly, when I'm assigned to talk, I mispronounce a word and my classmates start and keep laughing. That makes me uncomfortable and terrified. After that, I feel embarrassed. That becomes my greatest fear. And because of that, I experienced really volunteer to report back then. Actually, up until now, there's still inside me that I can't overcome. So how can we get better at it? The first thing is practice. And I do believe in words practice makes perfect. And the more you practice, the more you're comfortable become. Start small. Practice talking to friends and family. Then try to speak in front of small groups. Each time you do it, you'll gain confidence. Public speaking is a skill that improves with practice. Don't let fear hold you back. Embrace the challenge. Practice regularly and you'll see how much you can improve. Talking to lots of people can feel scary, but it gets easier. Just breathe. Speak slowly and remember why you're sharing your words. Your story matters. Be brave. Your voice will be heard.